Hi, welcome to my another video. Today, we will talk about the common medicine. Medicine are chemicals or compounds used to cure, prevent diseases, or help in diagnosis of illnesses. These are the common medicine. Painkiller, ibuprofen, anti-inflammatory drug that is used to relieve pain, fever, and inflammation. Side effects: headache, dizziness, fatigue, thirst, and sweating. Painkiller, diclofenac, drug used to treat pain and inflammatory diseases. Side effects: stomachache, feeling sick, diarrhea, drowsiness, and headache. Painkiller, paracetamol, medicine used for mild to moderate pain. Side effects: yellow eyes or skin, nausea, sore throat, or peptic ulcer diseases. Cold and allergy, Advil used to reduce fever, treat pain or inflammation caused by many conditions. Side effects: diarrhea, nausea, dizziness, heartburn. Cold and allergy, cetirizine, histamine used to relieve allergy symptoms such as watery eyes. Side effects: headache, dry mouth, feeling sick, feeling dizzy, sore throat. Cough for dry cough, Ascoril D syrup, diagnosis or treatment of common cold allergy. Side effects: blurred eye, difficult breathing, confusion, agitation. Trilintus BM syrup, treat and manage wet cough due to asthma and infection of airways, lungs. Side effects: headache, indigestion, bloating, palpitations. Fever, Tylenol, to treat mild to moderate pain from headaches, menstrual period, toothache. Side effects: nausea, stomach pain, headache, loss of appetite. Nausea and vomiting, ondansetron, used to prevent nausea and vomiting that is caused by cancer medicine. Side effects: diarrhea, fast heartburn, headache, confusion. Nausea and vomiting. Domperidone, helps to stop feeling or being sick. Side effects: hot flashes, unusual tiredness, breast swelling, mood changes. Acidity, ranitidine, drugs help to prevent and treat gastric acid associated condition including ulcer. Side effects: headache, abdominal pain, hair loss, constipation. Acidity, omeprazole, used in the treatment of gastroesophageal reflux disease, peptic ulcer. Side effects: black, neck or stomach pain, blister, bloody or cloudy urine. Injury, povidone iodine or betadine, antiseptic used for skin. Side effects: rash, hives, itching, red swallow. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Bye. See you next my video.